everyone. So I'm starting the vlog exactly where I finished yesterday's vlog because I forgot to do that. Today, not actually sure what we're going to get up to. There is a few things we want to do, although we don't have anything set in stone. We are actually thinking about getting a tattoo, so that might be happening. Also, we might be going parasailing or go-karting or something. Like, yeah, we have nothing really planned today, so we're just going to see how it all plans out. So we've made it down to the wharf and we're hoping to go parasailing today, like I said earlier, but it's a little bit too windy, so they're not going out today. We're hopefully going to come back on Wednesday after our swing. We might be able to do it then, depending on the weather, but there is lots of boats out today. Everyone's going on to the, it's kind of like the shot over jet, but it's like in the lake. And we're just taking some photos. Yeah. So Jazz is pooing herself because she is about to get a tattoo. I just got a tattoo. I literally just got one. And I got mountains because we're in Queenstown. It's full of mountains, and I got it across from my tattoo I got for Bali. So it's kind of like my holiday representation tattoo. I'll show you what it looks like when we're back and it's all kind of washed and whatever. Yeah, Jazz is pooing herself. But yeah, it was so good, and I 100% recommend white tiger tattoos, and the guy in there, Scott, he tattooed Ed Sheeran, so we picked a good studio.
Oh my god, I can see myself in your glasses. Please help, send help, someone.
She's about to get a tattoo. So Joel and I just went to the casino while we waited for Jazz to get her tattoo done, and I won on roulette. I won $68, but for some reason she gave me $78, so I put that lucky $10 in the pokies and didn't win. But Joel didn't win either, so good luck was on my side today. We have just booked in to go to the ice bar. We're actually going to go tonight, and we're not as rugged up as we were last night, but yeah, we're all booked in to do that. We're going to go virtual reality while we wait because our session's at 8:30. It's only 7 o'clock, so we're going to go do that. So we just did the ice bar and it was bloody amazing, but my phone has actually died, so that's why I'm filming on my GoPro. Yeah, it was insane. It did get quite cold towards the end, but I wasn't too bad. And before that we did the VR experience, which was really sick as well. And yeah, now we're going to head back to the room because we're all cold and we have to get up early in the morning. So we are back in the room now. Jazz has just FaceTimed her parents to reveal her tattoo to them, and their reaction was amazing. So you'll have to go over to her vlog to check that out. We're just getting ready for the Milford Sound day trip tomorrow. My tattoo looks amazing. I just did some GoPro footage of that, so I'll insert that. And yeah, it's like 11 o'clock now and we have to be up at like 6. So good night. I'll see you tomorrow for Milford Sound.